Hello, this is Chris Andrews, Commercial Fleet Manager at Rothrock Motor Sales. We carry Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Nissan, as well as a full lineup of Ram commercial products. We are now starting a new product line of performance lifted trucks and Jeeps. This is a TECSTAR lifted truck. We also will be carrying SCA Black Widow, Sherrod, Rocky Ridge, and Rocky Mountain trucks and Jeeps. This is a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn 6-inch lift kit, 37-inch Baja or Mickey Thompson Baja tires on 20-inch custom black and milled wheels. You also have the black custom painted logos and badging, fender flares, full cab length running boards, and then inside we've also added custom black leather. All these Bighorns come with the 12-inch screen, which is a class exclusive for Ram. They also have performance exhaust and come in many different colors. I can also customize to a color of your choice. If you're interested in any of these trucks, give me a call. My number is 484-223-0623. Again, Chris Andrews, Commercial Manager here at Rothrock Motor Sales. Thank you.